Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you are doing fantastic today. Thank you for being here. Today we are testing out a very popular makeup subscription brand, a brand you have probably seen. I know I've seen it so many times, and that is IPSY GLAM bag. So we are trying that out today. I see it everywhere, all over my YouTube, Instagram ads, Facebook, everywhere. I see it constantly pop up like, hey, you might like this. So I finally bit the bullet and I was like, okay, all right, I'll do it. I'll subscribe to IPSY GLAM bag. And today that's exactly what we are trying out. I hope the lighting is okay. It is really cloudy outside. We currently are in a winter weather advisory warning. So I am sorry if it looks a smidge gloomy today. I apologize. Anyway, we have 4 bags. Yes, 4 different IPSY GLAM bags, and I will explain why. Please take a moment before we start to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday and Wednesday, and I would love to have you here on my channel. It'd mean the world to me. Anyway, let's get started. So I subscribed to IPSY GLAM bag at the very end of November. So yes, it's been a little while. So they have a welcome bag that they send you as soon as you sign up. And then they have a monthly bag, and your monthly bag is a little more tailored to you. The welcome bag is kind of more of a standard that they send out. So right now I have a welcome bag, and I also have December's because I got it so late in November's. They sent December not that long after. So I have the 2 here, and you're like, that still doesn't explain the 4 packages. Yes, it doesn't. I know, because with IPSY you can also get little add-ons for very cheap, and I decided to do a few add-ons for myself. Anyway, let's get started. Let's take a look first at the welcome bags. Also, the little packages it comes in with the little IPSY on it, and they're pink. So cute. They're so cute, those little packagings. I love it. All right, so here we have the welcome bag. Now, yes, I got a brush and it doesn't fit in the bag, so it kind of came separately in there. But so let's look at the brush first. So we get a brush, and it's a Perfect 10 MOTD. So that's and it's like a beautiful fluffy brush, and it is soft. Let me tell you, it is so soft. This is like a brush I definitely use for different powders like blush, maybe bronzer, loose powders even. So I really like this. I love brushes. I love getting brushes. I love buying brushes. I think brushes make the whole look, are very important. So I love that they send you brushes. This is a nice brush. So now that that's out of the way, let's actually get to the bag. So IPSY is known for coming in these cute little glam bags. A lot of people who love IPSY and subscribe to IPSY save them. They save them, and I think they're nice quality, just feeling it. It's very nice. They got a zipper, it's thick, it's lined, and they're cute. Like, these little bags, they're perfect. You could use them for gifting someone something. You could put it in here instead of like wrapping it with wrapping paper. You could use this in your purse. You can carry little things in your purse in there if you don't want them cluttered all over your purse, just loose. You could put stuff in there. So I think these are really cute, and I love that these come with these. So I'm very excited about that. So let's dive in here. There are 4 items inside this package, and let's start with just pulling out one that sticks out to me. Oh, okay. So this is the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse Cleansing Oils. So Tatcha is a very well-known brand. Makeup YouTubers like Nikki Tutorials, she talks about this brand all the time, and I see it everywhere. It's a bit out of my price range, as it is considered a more luxury brand, a little bit more expensive, but I do hear good things about them, so I like that I can try this. Let's take a... Ooh. Alright, so it's fragranced, which kind of puts me off a little bit because I have super dry and sensitive skin, and my dermatologist tells me don't use anything scented. So That'll be interesting, but oh, it also says for normal and oily skin, and I have dry skin. But I am keen to try it at least and see, because I know a lot of people talk about this brand. A lot of people really like this brand. So I'm glad that I get a chance to try it, because I never would have gone and picked this up myself. Love that. Go IPSY on that one. Let's see. Oh, this one stands out also, because it's like bright yellow. What is this? Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream, Calm and Hydrating. All right, okay. I love, first off, that packaging is so yellow, which is so cute. And it's just this cute little tub. Let's open it. There's a little plastic piece. Oh my God. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells like banana Laffy Taffies. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I can't wait to try this one, because it is a hydrating and calming moisturizing cream. So I love that. Can't wait to try that. I've never like heard of this brand or seen this. So that is so cute. I'm glad I get to, the great thing about IPSY is like trying new things, like brands or items that you wouldn't necessarily reach for yourself. So those two so far I'm very interested in. So we have two more things here. Let's pull this one out. Oh, it's an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Moon Jelly. I think this is a very popular one, as it's that like pure white and sparkly. Oh, it smells like vanilla. I can't wait. I recently just bought a bunch of glosses from Colourpop, and I've really been liking them. I think they're really nice, so I can't wait to try. I've never had an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick before. I know they are so popular, and this isn't a lipstick, but it's a lip gloss, so kind of in the same ballpark, right? Anyway, I can't wait to try this. I'm sorry, it just smells so good. It smells like vanilla. All right, and then we come to our very last item in the welcome bag, and that is this little item, and it is an ICO London Rock Out and Lash Mascara, which is so cute. It comes in this like little tube. It has a nice brush where it's like thick here, and then, oh, there's hairs coming out of it already. Oh my God. So it's got that big like ball-esque end, and then it's thinner. That's kind of what it looks like. So I'm interested to try that. I've never really heard this brand, and I love trying out new mascaras all the time. I usually stick to the same mascaras that I really like, but I know there are a ton of great ones out there, so I hope that one's a really good one. Anyway, that is everything that came in this welcome bag. So let's actually get into my December one. So the great thing about IPSY that I've noticed when I was shopping is that I could really customize it. I could they give you a bunch of different types of makeup, and they're like, do these types of makeup interest you? Like, which ones do you want to see in your bags more? Is this something you want to see more often, rarely, you don't really like, you don't want to see? For me, one of the biggest things is they also offer perfume, and I am very sensitive to a lot of perfume. So on that, for me, I put, I don't want to see this item, or I rarely want to see this item. As well as skincare. Now, I love skincare, but as someone who has eczema and extremely sensitive and dry skin, I can really only use certain brands and types, things that my dermatologist recommends. So I put for skincare that I rarely want to see it also, as it's not really something I will use. But there are so many, it's like, how often do you want to get mascaras, blushes, bronzers, eyeshadows? What really is your favorite type of makeup? Which was great. So you can really customize that to really fit you. So this is my December one. And look at, it's like this Sherpa, and it is just so cute. I love this Sherpa fabric, very wintry, as I wear this type of fabric all the time in the winter. And it smells heavily of peppermint, like I can smell it. So there's definitely a peppermint item in here, which is very festive of December. Now, I don't know if you'll be seeing this in December or early January. So I also got a brush in this one, but it was small enough to fit in here. And this is a tapered highlight blush, as it says. Tapered highlighter brush by Goshus. I'm probably saying that wrong. I am so sorry. But it's this cute little tapered brush like this. This is great. As it says, it's a highlighter brush, so you can really get in these little areas right here. I would also use this for like very pinpointed contour when you want a really sharp contour line. So I love that. Again, such a nice, like, just feeling it is so soft. Like, you could feel the quality. It's pretty nice. This is a nice brush as well. And I'm really glad that they gave me some nice brushes here. All right, so let's just dive in here. There's 4 more items because everything comes in a bag of 5. You get 5 items. So this is, oh, this is a type of foundation. I wonder if that, I'll have to test that on my face at some point. Cruelty-free, awesome. So this is Lumasca skin-based foundation in the color 4.5. I love trying new foundations. I've really been, it's one of the things I've been buying a lot lately is a bunch of different foundations and wanting to try them because I still feel like I haven't found the perfect foundation for my skin. I feel like I find a lot that kind of sticks to my dry patches on my face and like it kind of just don't necessarily always look the best, kind of get a little cakey. Maybe just don't, I can tell right now it's not. I tried something new and I can tell that my under eye is kind of creasing right now, which is also something I've been looking into concealers and foundations because I think a good base is really the set for good makeup. And I still quite haven't found my perfect foundation yet. So I'm so glad that they sent a foundation. I've never tried this, never really heard of this brand. But yeah, so that is great. So again, they send foundations and stuff like that. Little things you can try. And again, some of these brands are like nice brands. Some of the brands that I'm seeing are nicer high-end brands that cost a little bit more money and you might be hesitant to try on your own. I know I am. So, you know, if you get to try like a small thing and you find you really love that product, it might actually be worth the splurge. And I think that's kind of the whole point of IPSY. So next we pull out Will Powder Blush from The Balm. All right, The Balm is, again, another popular brand I hear about, never really tried. Oh, this blush is very like, it looks very, my lighting is washing it out, but it's like a dark mid-toned pink, but it's very sparkly and like reflective. Can you see it reflecting in the pan? I feel like it looks more champagne on camera, but it's quite like a berry pink. I don't know why it's coming up so, I don't know if you could tell, but it's very reflective. So it kind of feels like a highlighting blush. It's a bit sparkly. I don't know if you can really see it. This is a blush. It looks more like a dark highlighter. All right, well, that'll be interesting to try. I mean, I'm definitely going to try every single product in here. It'll be so fun to try out all these things. That one's definitely interesting. Can't wait for that. Let's see, there's 2 more items in here. First, Peppermint Cream Organic Lip Balm by Lasting Smiles. Smile for a cause, caring for people and our planet. All right, so even through the cap, that is peppermint. That is very strong peppermint, which is okay because I love the smell of peppermint. And peppermint is probably, peppermint oils and stuff like that are probably some of the best things for your lips. I know my dentist makes his own lip balm and it's always peppermint and it's probably my favorite kind ever. It doesn't, when you put it on the lips, it doesn't feel good, but then chap them again later, it like actually like heals them. And I love that. And the last thing is Mayel, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Sun Kiss from Dusk Till Dawn eyeshadow collection. Oh, so this is an eyeshadow. It's a very basic like light tone taupey brown. So this is a perfect like crease shade and like transition shade for the eyes. Love that. I could also personally probably use that as like a type of contour maybe. So this is an eyeshadow, so I can't wait to try that. It kind of looks like a type of bronzer, doesn't it? I don't know, but it's nice. It's a full, like I got this nice full eyeshadow right here. Can't wait to try that as well. So those are the 2 bags I got. Something that's great about IPSY is every month you can add on to your bag for really cheap, cute little items that aren't coming in your bag that they show you and you're like, hey, do you really want to try one of these products? Does it look interesting to you? And you're like, yeah, it does. And all of them are like between $3 and $12 depending on if you want to get a full size or you just want more like little size. So I got a few add-ons for only $3 and they came in a separate bag, which is a little annoying because I feel like that's a waste of packaging. Just send it with my regular things, but I think they ship differently. I don't know. So I got 3 things here. 3 more little items. Let's start with this one. This is Perlissy Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. Oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, illuminating finish for normal to dry skin, even sensitive skin, which we love because I got sensitive skin. BB creams are great. I've never really used them a lot. I used to use a Maybelline one And then I kind of veered away from Maybelline because they're not cruelty free. And they're great because sometimes you're like, I don't really feel like a full foundation today, especially in the summer. I notice like sometimes you're going out, and if you're out and you want to look nice and put on, you know, a base, but sometimes foundation is a bit heavy when it's like 100 degrees outside. So BB creams are great. I'm really excited to try this. This is based on Beauty Through Asian Wisdom, light and medium, from made in Korea. So this is a Korean skincare brand. The people, K Beauty, is like so skincare focused, and their skin is just beautiful. So I'm really excited to try that. And then the last two things, let's see. This is Shauna B. Miami blush in the color Bellini. Oh yeah, so I picked this up. This is a very like natural toned peachy orange colored blush. I've recently been getting into blush lately, and I kind of bought a bunch of like very bright, intense pink blushes, and I was like, for someone trying to get into blush for the first time in a long time, probably not the best thing to be doing is getting bright blushes. So instead I was like, I saw this, and this looks like a very beautiful, yeah, like it's kind of the color of my skin if you look at it, but it's a very cute like orangey, pinky, color that it's just, it looks like it's going to be very natural, like a natural wash of color. So I am very excited to try that out and see how it goes. More stuff to try. I love all these brands because I don't think I've used any of these brands. Oh wait, I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have used that. I have some of their eyeshadow palettes. But yeah, a lot of these brands I like never tried and wouldn't probably, because I'm so used to the things I like, I wouldn't go out of my own comfort zone. So the last thing is YC Collection Loose Setting Powder. Again, cruelty-free, love that, in the color 213. So I recently bought a loose setting powder for like the first time in a long time, and so far I've been using it and I really like it. And I would love to try another loose setting powders because I know some of them can be very hit or miss. Sometimes they dry you out, other times they're very reflective when you're in like HD lighting and stuff like that. So definitely want to try loose setting powders. Anyway, that is everything I got. And you're like, why are you showing me everything and not trying it on? It'd be very obnoxious to swatch everything. It'd be so long if I did. So I'm not swatching anything. I'm just kind of showing you. If you're curious about IPSY yourself, this is like my first impression of IPSY. These have been sitting to the side waiting for me to open them on camera and really look at them. So I'm excited. I think it's so fun. I love makeup. If you love makeup, it's so fun to kind of give yourself a gift. Like, you don't exactly know what you're getting, but you know it's probably going to be good. Like, you're not taking that risk. Like, this is a very established brand. They have really good ratings, and I love that you can customize things, which is amazing for me because there are some types of products that I don't really need, or I have a lot of, or I'm not really interested in. And I'm sure that goes the same for you. And if you're a makeup lover, this is only $12. I should have said this at the beginning. IPSY is only $12, in case you didn't know that. IPSY is only $12 a month. And I think for, you know, some of these products are, you know, some high-end products. Like, I know some of these names and they're a bit expensive. So for only $12 to try these little items, something new, get yourself something new, something you wouldn't have on your own, I think it's really fun. It's just really fun. I love doing stuff like this, like getting stuff like this. It's fun for me and it might be fun for you. So I say so far, I really like what I'm getting. I definitely am very excited to try these products that I have never like really tried or heard of and see if I like these enough to get a full size. And that's kind of what IPSY is about. Yeah, so anyway, I think I'm going to approve. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I approve of IPSY. So far, I really like it. And I'm very excited for my January bag. I can't wait. Anyway, I'm going to conclude the video there. I hope it wasn't too long. I hope it kind of gave you an insight of what IPSY is. Anyway, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Again, I would love to have you here on my channel, so hit that subscribe button. Turn it from red to gray, and I'd love to have you here. It means the world to me. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day.